Welcome. In this video, we'll explore the basics of HTML, what it is, how it works, and why it's fundamental in web development. Let's jump right in. Every browser, whether it's Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Mozilla Firefox, processes various file types including HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to display a website. While modern websites often combine all three, HTML alone is enough to create a basic web page. In fact, that's how the earliest websites were built. HTML structures the content of a web page. For example, an HTML file that contains a heading that says, "Welcome to Tech with Bio," and a paragraph that says, "Your coding journey begins now." When opened in a browser, that heading and paragraph will be displayed as expected. But what exactly is HTML? Let's break it down. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, which consists of two main components. Hypertext refers to text that links to other documents or web pages. These hyperlinks are the foundation of web navigation. A great example is the world's first website, created by Sir Tim Berners-Lee, the inventor of the World Wide Web. This site featured numerous hyperlinks that, when clicked, directed users to related pages, illustrating how hypertext enables connectivity across documents. A markup language structures and formats text using special symbols called tags. Similar to how quotation marks indicate spoken words in writing, HTML tags define different elements of a web page. HTML uses tags to organize content. Early HTML had only a handful of tags, but today there are many more. However, you only need to know the essential ones to get started, such as headings, H1 tag to H6 tags, paragraph, the P tag. We'll focus on the most commonly used tags as we progress, so no need to memorize them all at once. In the next video, we'll start with the heading tags, H1 to H6 tags, one of the fundamental elements of HTML. Stay tuned as we take the first step in structuring web pages. See you in the next lesson.